India is at an important crossroads of history. The path taken so far will take us back to the past, reinforcing 67 years of mental slavery, tokenism, and economic downturn. The other path that takes India into a new future, a strong and vibrant India that occupies the destined mantle of a Jagat Guru. The choice is ours. Either we remain silent spectators or we take up the challenge and march shoulder to shoulder to take India to a golden era of progress and prosperity. www.india272.com, a grand opportunity towards nation building. All your questions: where do I go? Who do I call? How can I contribute? What can I work on? Where can I get the opportunity to perform? Will be answered on a single platform. India272.com, the volunteering platform that seeks to make Mission 272 Plus into a reality. A one-stop destination where ideas merge with action, where innovation is complemented by timely execution, where ground-level contribution blends with the internet revolution, be it with the power of your thoughts or through grassroots level work on the ground. Your contribution will be a giant step towards the regeneration of India. Join the mission to ensure India gets the leadership it needs. Passionate researchers, creative artists, analytical writers, doctors, lawyers, engineers, IT specialists. You can find many similar thinking supporters, giving ideas, sharing thoughts through posters, blogs, or just debate in the open forum, making their contribution through specialist groups. You can join and be a part of it the moment you register. And if you want to be in direct touch with people of your constituency, India 272 will guide you on how to develop closer bond with those who live close to you. Join India 272 and be a part of this historic opportunity to transform our nation. Just log on to www.india272.com and share your details. Your volunteering will make a difference. You are the change that India needs to see.
इंडिया 272 प्लस विश्व में फैले हुए हर भारतीय को कहिए कि एक बार इस वेबसाइट को बारीकी से देखें। एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिस प्लेटफॉर्म से आपको पता चलेगा कि आप क्या काम कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए, कहां जुड़ना चाहिए, जुड़ने का तरीका क्या हो, आपको पता चल जाएगा। किसी नेता के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, किसी नेता के प्रमाण पत्र की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आप अपने आप भारत माँ के एक सपूत के नाते कुछ न कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट जरूर कर पाएंगे। और मित्रों, अब समय का इंतजार नहीं करना चाहिए। इसी पल के बाद अगर काम शुरू कर सकते करना चाहिए। देश बहुत बड़ा है, जनसंख्या बहुत है, सपने भी बहुत है। उन सबके साथ हमको जोड़ना होगा, और अगर हम जोड़ते हैं तो हम काम भी कर सकते हैं।
Come, join us in this unique journey. Be a part of this family and enrich this platform with your contribution. Welcome to the India 272 family. Jai Hind.